Sage 200 Manufacturing Module is a comprehensive manufacturing solution covering the entire production process from planning and order processing to materials and stock management. It also contains submodules that perform specific functions such as bill of materials, estimating, production planning, works order processing, shop floor data capture and capacity planning. Together they offer the flexibility to set and control production from end to end in the way that best suits the size, sophistication and growth of your business. Bill of materials keeps track of costs, processes and products and can facilitate version controls to keep track of any amendments. Estimating prepares estimates for one-off jobs or existing products. It can provide customer quotes that can easily be converted to firm orders. Production planning starts by reading demand, i.e. customer orders, and enables them to be met as efficiently as possible while maintaining lean but sufficient stock levels. Works orders tracks jobs as they move through production. It incorporates stock allocation and pick lists, and if required, tracks batch and serial numbers and monitoring multiple locations within the businesses as a whole. Shop floor data capture monitors and captures the amount of actual time spent on an operation, enabling accurate costings and timings. Sage 200 Manufacturing helps you to reduce costs and delivery times, and in turn improve productivity by monitoring production processes and tracking components through the whole manufacturing cycle. Open up to more with Sage 200 Manufacturing today.